if I had half of the information I have now, yes, when I was going into the higher institutions some years ago, if I have half of those information, I wouldn't be here today. Like, I would have been gone, like gone far, 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 far. But thank God for where we are today. So that is why today I'll be sharing with you different side also ideas you can do as a student to earn extra cash for yourself, and you can even get settled in this before you even graduate from the university. If this sounds like something interesting to you, please stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Fumike with a new video today. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming here, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Fumike. I create content on business ideas, different tutorials and lifestyle. My goal on this channel is to provide you with multiple streams of passive income, which is something I'm passionate about and I've been doing for a while now. So if this resonates with you, kindly consider subscribing. Just go ahead and join the team today by turning on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I have a new video. So this is a part 2. I have a part 1. I'll link the video right up here. So today I'll be showing how to make money or how to earn extra cash for yourself as a student in Nigeria. And if you're smart about this side also would not have any impact, any negative impact on your studies. So let's get right into today's video. And this side also ideas I'm talking about, you do not need capital, you do not need a dime to start it. So the only two things you'll be needing before starting this also is your mobile phone with a good internet connection, and that is all. Yes, that is all. So let's get right into it. The first side also I'll be talking about is making voiceover. Yes, making voiceover. The truth is, each and every one of us has a unique voice, and there are many platforms waiting for you to make use of those voices, of those beautiful voices. They are always looking for audio talent for commercials, animation, video games, narrators, storytellers and instructors, and even for jingles as well. The most popular style they look for in voiceover are usually the ones that are authentic, friendly, approachable, conversational and believable. So this is actually something you might want to consider if you have that unique voice. Yes, if you have that great voice, this is something you might want to consider. Fiverr is a great platform if you have a unique voice for voiceover. You can also check Google for some of the sites that hire voiceover artists. Second side also I'll be talking about is making cool cash by video blogging, which is also known as YouTube. Few days ago, Reno Omokiwi shared different sites also people can use in making money for themselves, and number one on that list was YouTube, like video blogging. So if you have a particular niche and you're comfortable sitting in front of camera, then you need to consider this. You need to consider starting a YouTube channel. You do not need to be perfect. When I started YouTube, I was far from being perfect. Yes, something about YouTube is that it is in doing you learn. You don't need to be perfect. There's somebody I'm currently talking to who also wants to go into YouTube, but I don't know why she's still pulling back. I told her that, see, you don't need to be perfect. You guys can go and check out my first video on this channel. It was, everything was wrong with that video, everything. But look at me now, I keep getting better day by day. So when you're starting, you don't need to be perfect. It's just the first push you need, and you will get better with time. Yes, just make sure you update, you upgrade yourself from time to time, and you will do great at it. I'll link to my first video right up here. Like, everything was wrong with that video. I recorded that video about 4 or 5 times before I could get one, at least one that could go up. So guys, you don't need to be perfect. When I was starting, I didn't even know anything about editing. I just knew that, oh, I have these gifts, I want to impact people. When it comes about talking about side also how people can make money, yes, because I was home at some point for like 8 months, and that was how my journey into entrepreneurship started. Yeah, I know what it feels like sitting at home and not making money for yourself, being dependent on people, and this is just my passion. I think that I had that passion in me, talking to people, especially stay-at-home moms, students, on how they can make extra cash for themselves, because what I hate being idle. Let me tell you, it might actually take a while before you get a community. For me, it took me 8 months before I got monetized on YouTube channel, and during those 8 months I took about 2 months, 6 months of active inputs, like gave me my 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. To be monetized on YouTube, you need a minimum of 8,000 subscribers with 4,000 watch hours. These are achievable, yes, within few months. Some of my friends who started around the same time, they got monetized in 3 months, yes, 3-4 months. But mine like took me about 6 to 8 months, yes, 6 to 8 months. So it would come in a day. You have to keep putting in the work. Even the big YouTubers, they all started at some point, they all started somewhere. They didn't have it all. It started with one, like every one of us started with 0 subscribers. Please damp that fear and start something for yourself now. The truth is that journey are different. Yes, for me, it took me 6 to 8 months to get monetized. It might actually take you 3 months, yes, to get monetized. So please do not compare yourself. Just start and keep going at your own pace. And while doing that, make sure you upgrade yourself. Sometimes last year I registered for a master class, yes, just to upgrade myself. So guys, start something. Just take that first step. It is in doing you learn. You won't learn until you start doing it. And don't wait till you have all the gadgets, all the gears. Yes, I started with just my phone with a ring light. That was the only thing I started with. And even up until now, I'm still using my phone to film. I still film with my mobile phone. I do not have a camera yet, just my mobile phone with my ring light, and that is all. You don't have any excuse not to start your YouTube channel. I have some people that they really do not even have any niche because they do not want to box themselves. So it's just mostly vlogs and lifestyle videos. So guys, consider this as a side hustle idea. The third idea I'll be talking about is monetize your skills by teaching online. Do you have awesome video editing skills or photography skills? This is something you can actually jump on. Yes, if you have any skill, like you know it's teachable, like you can teach people, you can impact people through those skills, please, it is time to start something for yourself in that particular area. It could be accounting. You guys can check accounting up, Mrs. Chioma. Please go and search for that woman, accounting up. Look at what she's doing for herself. It started somewhere. She's an accountant, yes, and she started teaching people. She will break everything down. She started teaching people, develop different modules, different courses, and she teaches people and they understand. And that is just it. Just find that skills. It could be what you studied in school that you can know, oh, I can impact people with this thing, and start something for yourself. It could be video editing skills, it could be graphic skills, how to build a website. Anything you know is teachable. It could be content creator. I have a friend on Facebook who is a content creator. Like, that is what he does now. He created a master class on content creation. And what exactly was he doing? He started with meme, sharing different meme, and he was able to build a brand. And currently he's hosting master class, 10,000 naira, yes, to teach people how to create meme, how to create funny content. And that is what he's doing, and he earned so much just by that, just by doing that master class. It could be IT, it could be software. I also have a friend, Techie Breed. He's also on Instagram. You can look at him, go and check his page and look at what he's doing for himself. Now owns an academy where he teaches everything that has to do with digital marketing. Yes, he started somewhere. It was online before, but now has a base in Ibadan. So you can start somewhere. Just look in one you. There will be that thing, that skill. You know that you can impact people, you can teach people, and they will get value for it. Just make sure it is valuable. Don't go and collect people money and not impact them. Make that told us to teach you. Any skill you know is not teachable, don't mention my name, I'm not there. Just search inward. I know you find that skill you're very good at, that you can impact people and give them value in exchange for their money. The fourth idea I'll be talking about is affiliate marketing. If you have a good presence online, or you have a website where you can promote different links and earn money, you can start bringing in money by sharing those links. So you simply promote different companies, different products, different services and offers online, and that is how you get paid for each click. For everybody that clicks on that line and purchase either a product, a service, an offer, you get a particular cut on it. Yes, that is just what affiliate marketing means. It means you're advertising for such brand. Anybody that gets that product or service through that link, you get a particular commission on it. Yes, you can do that one from anywhere, from any part of the country, from anywhere you are. The fifth idea I'll be talking about is creating website for business. As long as businesses desire to have online presence, they would always demand for the service of a web developer, which is you. So if you have a skill in how to create website, this is something you should look out for. There was a time I paid 2,000 naira to learn how to design a website without coding. So you can actually go through those courses. With 10,000 naira, you can learn how to create website. Like, you can learn practical ways on how to create website. You can even go on YouTube. There is really nothing you want these days that you cannot find on YouTube. At most, register for classes on how to create websites without coding. You can take a step further and learn everything that has to do with website designing. But you are ensuring your future, and you know that recently it is the tech guys. They are the big guys and big girls of our generation. Now, anywhere you see any tech guy, please build them. Guys, the money those guys are making for themselves, you don't want to miss it. I know of many freelancers, website designer, that they work from home. They do not even leave their house. They work from home and they earn great money. I have some of them as friends. As promising as website designing sounds, it requires dedication and commitment. Yes, it requires a lot of dedication and commitment. So you need to be serious about this. Know what you want and go for it. If you need to take classes, please go ahead and take those classes. Invest in your future. Starting a business online have promising rewards such as independence and financial stability. Just choose an idea that matches your skill set. With consistency and good effort, your earnings will start rising significantly. Focus on your strength, be consistent about it, put in your best, and I know that you get good reward from this. Making quick cash in Nigeria is as simple as all these points I've mentioned. You simply use what you have to get what you want. Yes, that's what is in your hand. That is what God will bless. Yes, take that risk today. Do not be afraid of investing in yourself. Yes, invest in yourself as much as you can, because you know that you will definitely have a good reward. If you have any of these side gigs as your side hustle, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I have various videos on this channel where I talked about dropshipping and different side hustles you can do. Stay at home moms, stay at home dads, students, or even business owner, even 9-to-5 workers. I have different business opportunities for you. I'll link them right up here. I will also attach the link in the description. Please check them out. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you find it helpful. Also subscribe if you haven't. Yes, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Let me know what next you would love to watch on my channel. Yes, I've got a lot of comments about how to open a PayPal account in Nigeria. Yes, I am working on it, and hopefully the next video you'll be watching on this channel will be about that. I promise you. If you need a one-on-one counseling or guidance with me, it costs 5,000 naira. Yes, each section costs 5,000 naira. I will attach my Instagram handle somewhere on the screen and also drop my email in the description box. Please check it out to book a section with me. Thank you so much for watching. You guys know how much I love you. Catch me in the comment section and in other videos I have on this channel. Thank you. I love you all.